This is GCSE Maths notes. We're on chapter 4 of M3 here, and we are looking at factorising quadratics. The quadratics you have to do for M3, it's always a 1x squared here, which makes life a little bit more straightforward. Different teachers do different methods here. The way I tend to do it is I'm looking for two numbers that multiply together to give 12, and the same two numbers add together to give 7. So the 12 coming from here and the 7 coming from here. We can then put those straight into the bracket. So that would be x and x always going here, and they're two numbers. Can you think of them? They're going to be 3 and 4, so it's going to be x plus 3 upon x plus 4. And that's that one factorised. If you were to sit and do FOIL, as a bit of a check, you should end up then with the question. Number 2, with y squared minus 6y plus 8, again same rule. We want them to multiply together to give 8 and add to give minus 6. So we need to give a wee bit of thought here because of the negatives in here, but hopefully you'll come across that it's going to be y minus 2 and y minus 4. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is indeed minus 6, and multiply them, you get a positive 8. Example 3. They need to multiply to give minus 10, and they need to add to give 3. Again, if they're multiplying to give a negative, it needs to be one positive and one negative. There's no other way of getting that. So that will maybe help us a little bit in B and B. So it's going to be some sort of form of 5 and 2, because if one's positive and one's negative, then they're almost taking away to give the 3, if that makes sense. Not quite mathematically sound that, but you get the idea. So multiplying to give minus 10, add to give 3, it's going to have to be then plus 5 and minus 2. Add those two numbers, yeah, you get 3. Multiply them, you get minus 10. So that works then. Brilliant.